So hello class, how are you? I think everybody is fine and safe at home and studying well. We have already started the number system and I have already finished with you the number system, and I have told you about what is number system, what is the use of a number system, what are the importance of number system in day-to-day life. I have explained you the types of number system. There are 4 types of number system, that is binary, decimal, hexa, octal and hexa. I will explain you binary number, which is binary means 2. It has 2 digits 0 and 1, and by that we calculate the number. I have explained you decimal. Decimal means 10. It has 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. In that we calculate. Converting to binary to decimal, decimal to binary. To convert binary to decimal we multiply with 2, and to convert decimal to binary we divide by 2. All these I have explained. I have explained you octal. Octal number system means 8 digit, 0 starting from 0 to 7, and the base is 8 because it is octal. So base is 8 and has 8 digits. It's starting with 0 to 7. In that we calculate, and I have explained you how to calculate from octal to binary. Octal to binary we multiply by 8, and decimal to octal we can divide by 8. Okay, I explained you this. I have explained you hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is of 16 digits, that is 0 to 9 digits are there, and A to F alphabets are there. Alphabets having their own values. 11 A carries 10, value of A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. It has their own binary numbers, and we are converting with binary number to decimal number. The decimal numbers are this of values of A. Okay, these are the values of A in decimal numbers. Okay, so these are the values, and hexa numbers are 0 to 9. So total 16 digits are there. Okay, including the alphabets. Okay, so we are now converting some octal number to decimal number. Okay, just taking one number that is 4706 base 8. Okay, not necessary to start with 1 2, you can start with this also, and let's see. Okay, 4706. Okay, position 1 2 3 4, weight 0 1 2 3. Okay, so 8 to the power 3, 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 0. Okay, 1 4 into 8 to the power 3, 7 into 8 to the power 2, 0 into 8 to the power 1, 6 into 8 to the power 0. Okay, clear? Now equal to 4 into 8 to the power 3, the value of 8 to the power 3 is 512. So we will write here 512 plus 7 into 8 to the power 2, value is 64, plus 0 into 8 to the power 1 is 8, plus 6 into 1, 8 to the power 0, value is 1. Okay, now calculate this. Okay, 2048 plus 42, so it will be 44, 6 7 is 42, 42 plus then 0, then 6. So total value is 202 base 10. Now we have converted this. Value of this is 2048. Value of 7 into 64, that is 448. 0 and 6. So calculating these numbers, we are getting the value of 202502. Okay. Now, whether the value is correct or not, we can see it. How? How? Let's see. So see, I have converted this decimal to octal. The number is this. We have got the answer 25. Whether it is correct or not. Now see. Divided by 8. Quotient 132. Remainder 6. Okay. 132 divided by 8. Quotient 39. Remainder 0. 39 divided by 8. Quotient 4. Remainder 7. So value comes 1706 base 8. Means it is correct. Okay, this is correct. Now we will see the hexadecimal and converting hexa to decimal and decimal to hexa. So here I have taken number of hexa to decimal, that is 1AC. You know the value of A is 10 and C is 12. Okay, now we will break it. 1AC. Position 1, 2, 3. Weight 0, 1, 2. 16 to the power 2, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 0. 1 into 16 to the power 2. A value is 10 into 16 to the power 1. C value is 12 into 16 to the power 0. Now 1 into 16 into 16, value is 250. 16 into 16, value is 256. Plus 10 into 16 plus 12 into 1. I have already told you power 0 means value is 1. 256 plus 160 plus 12. Value will be 428 base 10. Value will be 428. Value is 10. See, 8, 12, 6 plus 5, 11, 1, 12, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 1, 4, 228. Now this is hexa to decimal. Now decimal to hexa, value is 428 base 10. Okay, we'll start calculating. Divided by 16, quotient, remainder. Okay, let's see how it will calculate. So see, now I have converted this to decimal to hexa. Now how we have converted? 428 divided by 16, quotient 26, remainder 12. 26 divided by 16, quotient 1, remainder 10. Okay, so now I will write 1, 10, 12. 1 will be 1, 10 will be A and 12 will be C. So we will getting the answer A 1 AC base 16. So it is confirmed. Okay, clear? Understood? So this is the way to convert from hexa to decimal, decimal to hexa, octal to decimal, decimal to octal. Now we will more see the conversion of binary to decimal, decimal to binary. That I will show you in the next video. Let's practice this. I will send you some more sum with this video. So you will practice that and then I will again explain binary to decimal, decimal to binary. So for today, thank you class. Stay home, stay safe.